And so currently, Ukopiemu Ewo Eye Ghana the Ebusia the way Asante Region is air trend no. And then of course Asante Region. I believe that most of you are more happy though. When some of the videos and photos are air circulating all over the internet. May say Asante Region air trending to the extent that among for so many ministers are regional ministers come back. People have started tagging their regional ministers. Say enti moment to as a regional ministers air day. And then of course Asante Region of course some confusion. Ebuja me know what I say. As some I can see to the extent that people are even tagging their members of parliament. Ama even kaswa. Ama for more kaswa. As I see a target, the member of parliament that kaswa that jurisdiction no eshen as our central region. Say enti wonsu unhu the ekoso our Asante Region. You be able to na ya boyroom. Sounds ni ebeti eye na Deborah bedi akobwate a oye search K1ng Ghana. Abra dwumadi ebe koso dwumadi ebe meto ho acho na Otumfuo yi ni na asempabwa ehye no se ko na ko represent me na adefefe ye ebe kosu eja kasama me ye betie de num nsam a wode koto eyedwa e dwumadi na dwumadi ebe the Ashanti Festival 2026 launch no ase ana ejana na a Otumfuo yi ni na asempabwa hye ne se onfa nsem koto dwa no ehwusim ko gina ne nsem bitu dwa otaya omowo through the secondary school student to beautify Asante Region. And it's marvelous.
Boss, you where is Kubai? Hello, where is Kubai? And I want to see you. Wow. I'm more good. Now, where call you? Wow. Now you already on with you, man. Mom, you man, I lie. Can't I slow down? I know I'm seeing my blonde wife. I told you, man.
In the industry of art, no, Sahadi and Branayan, Sakwesi Bruni, and any bosswa, only name the worth of those kind of things the kids are doing. I'm telling you, say the project and Grana Fat was a more than $100,000 project. Just that overhead painting, a worth more than $100,000. I'm telling you, sir. This is over $50 million project, and I'm for free, no. I was there. Meno gaze matisi say Asante Festival ni bi as I said secondary schools now involved in making sure that the garden city becomes a garden city with these designs. On be donate sika any adia secondary schools no sika shase ko secondary schools no, and I hope say headmasters in this second. And say what the broad idea now, you'll be shocked. The broad idea no hell visual art one put on more to sound and the whole world as I see turning eyes on this painting. Just visual art no matter when you said when so imagine what are they going to do, what do they have in mind for Nkurama or Mutesi ICT programs or secondary school, science programs or secondary school, any other. We will listen to that details, what they have in mind for Sankurano through the Asante Regional Minister, Dr. Amwako Hen. And you will love the implementations and the ideas. Our master. And so when you share implementations and the beautiful ideas here, then it makes you think that there be way regional minister and idea man who here was so dini about 25 years. So even a buying some poor. There should be a negotiation that possible because K1ng Ghana Asante my hundo to. Ye mun rep. Ye hen sama ye Otumfuo ni oyi ne nansin paboa. E de she na Debra bedi akoboaten. Ye seche kwama mahene. Oni ye offense mahene ne koye. Wo mu mienu Otumfuo yi wo mu so mu go giremo during the launching of the Ashanti Festival.
Medinchia Ifrimira Asante ne ho ene Regional House of Chiefs edeba mu nyina. And me makasa no nye bebre say jumedie no regional minister o ye me ba no me em se be na otwe bosumi mienu ni me ne share programs bebre na ni so ade hu na wo ma santeman no me tena se na me hwa na me ni age obaye o ma asante amamre no ene eniema asante wo se ye de beboa Ghana man ni wiaseman no de na eso akata kakra ni nyina eso bibie ama ye nyina ye ho nti mi gyina ba bia na me ba no yesi ya na me ni age de mesre ni se ye nyina ye wa hai de oye no ye nsua bibi mfrim se de ye wo ema ye Asante fo no de ye wo ye gyina ba bia e dance nko no ba bi ye gyina bia ye nso ye moa na ya mamre ene ya mane aye wono so enyefe emfere ensuro se obi gina baabi na be ka kire won so ye santini ebi se ne ma ye wono efe se de maka no regional minister ba e bebre Ashanti expo me ne no an ekohia e afutu kakra me de be ma school for ne se mo amahunu se ye kromwa se ye adwuma sem no aye den mo wi school adwuma sem no aye bebre mesre se de wa Asante mai wo no musumo betimi di munim de na ka ho ma mo ntwen se aban be fa mo adwuma mu ansa na mo timi aye bibi na emom enema bebre wa Asante mai mu a mo betimi akeka mo ho abo mu school mu mu wi a mo betimi anya so mfaso dan se mo betwen se aban be mo adwuma nti regional minister me da se ene empanifo a mo hye mo ha nyina me da was koso ni koso a pagya Asante mai na minim se de wo ye mira na nije ho na nam so ye nije ho nda se pa
mira Otumfuo osetutu abebio e free bra ye call ye ne tena se ye pese ene abefo kwai so ene amamre ye nya intersectional ye betina hwe kwai befa so ye de culture ne bewura abefo diem na ma ye nja the youth behind because dure bi ye kwa consider ye hu se e ya hemfo ne mpanifo no nko na eba emabunu ne emrante no yenya akonya yetimi abotina say what makes our tradition, what makes our culture. They decided say Ashanti Fest is actually to be an bridge between enenamafoye die ene yenananom die, so that as we modernize we don't leave behind our tradition and our culture. Meda Otumfuo say wataya chipampe from Ashanti Fest bibia was say de ekotu nanim no oboa no ordinary nice for making sure say ye no wo ya ne sa boy last year o my na asafo hene and otaya chikan ho ma ye di dwuma ni na ye na wode mi am papa and am I for this year otenemu ehwese ye betoto enema ni nyina together with na offense man hene and Otumfuo asenye hene nti ye beda Otumfuo ase e wo sa kwan na ene akwanya ode man ye sa ka ho bio amesa da ho ase ye say last year said ye Emmanuel awuche beka ye no ye de to ye ni say dwumadi aye di ye be no sector by sector, so that within every sector there will be an impact or a footprint left behind. Last year, decided to say blood donation, health screening. Said okay, successfully. You call Hokoye blood donation, health screening. No, now private sector timia boye ama yetimia renovate Ghana Prison Service. Omo health center na Piero Enterprise or ha mama musem kese emfa emano. One a boy Ghana Prison Service, Omo Health Center, and yet me the air condition, Bibia 2,000, or some my beds, and a Pukufama also boy with him drew I the stock here. You really call her a man at the end, and say, ladies first the pan and Kiko who man at the end festa, and Kevoko your man at the end, and come man at the man must suffer. Now, man on your dear dick a cry was a man who better, but a man at the end, Dick who ye, in the same Piero Enterprise, a boy. Female hot year no and the was here. A man so I never see a boss of floor ceiling in the BB at the same year for a man dear. And I want to assure the house saying, I may add every time I call medical screening no again, our prisons honor. Then medical screening again, and Kwan Yakoye. Now your cornea commission, a man so health center, a year Ghana Prison Service at the Ama. Mama Muslim Cassia Pama and Penny for Abba Omutaya Chia. Omobuama Jumadia to say, Akoso. The HSA say we are throwing an invitation to the private sector. Say, as a government, we are there to make sure, say, any progressive collaboration and a partnership about one living impact. No? That is what we are here for, and that is why we have put together this. Ebio, remember MTN so? MTN, I'm reserving you for the last. Last year, during the Ashanti Festival, you put fashion for together at the palm for both seamstress, tailors, owning shops, among others. The only the boy say, you do be quite fiancé for instance, because a correctional facility, you know. I was actually months and you may be a movie, no more bound to integrate well in the society. And the fashion for no more come batik tie and diameter shop on tire. A dame should be a metagam with social media. One amenamoti. Metagam no entire prison for no more. You better make as I say, what boy in a shop for prisons. Tire or prisons, or Mukenta or Monin or Honing Nano, or my space. Babeton or Obesa or Tony my best support Ghana prisons or central prison, a mirror adornment, you know, in a shop for Saju Medino. Umam Sam Fama, Mayor was Aqua and Somayan. And the fashion industry, that is what they are doing to help us so far as Ghana prisons are concerned. Recently, our prison director, our fashion show, our prisons, where talents are. Yeni anoma bibinti omakoda fiase omu display it should tell you say etinya ye we no mu a ebeboa manipa no oba ne kondo so obekwa wiade bi oni asade nako na timu aboa in that regard. Still on fashion, what aboa say omatinya komo ho abom I establish institutional your friend Ashanti Fashion Industry Network. Ashanti Fashion Industry Network no mo azatimi ape omo office. From time to time, no, we share what we call capacity building, in-service training, summits, among others. From time to time, no, so much jinkra, no training, last year, fashion night, no, NEIP boss, Ora LKJ, or by Cassia or her, your chatty mass, I'm crying, and I said, you'll be on Bina and Yama, the Bishia, a Jumain. NEIP for no, apart from training, no. Almost a picking Crawford was near Jumanary, but so on one shiny diasi. But was near Nakasika or the Beshasi. And the Omoma Yamomu training, Ewo Amstead, Usted, and Usted, good. It's not vice chancellor of Hano. One coordinator is our training in my school near for entrepreneurial studies. And he was near the permanent room, but in entrepreneurial aspect of it, no. And come one we have work with Yaboka. It's almost 6 months and 6 weeks training. 5 weeks training, ever ho Edemaye. Omuye no, Omoye, Omo, and then so her per se, but move him one Omo and Palmasunia the any year, abide the Sikasha or Mochia, Ombetimi, Ediaya de Papa. And he Nago Poncha, they are selected one more, Namea Duma. Monday by now watch here. Nya mejina na make sure say be sika abide amo no amo omu nyina no mo so timi da kwako start your business as an outcome of the NEIP program. And the you know enye the fun of it nko ana yehwe. Yeah, how we will be able to transform the lives of the youth through these initiatives. Having said that, Madam was said this year and also out of the reviews from last year, they decided to expand it. Said whilst we have a musical concert, we will have a music summit to discuss music as a business. Because year and also your source of revenue for Emma and Branch and movie for media for a health summit, any educational summit. And on your during the Ashanti Trade Expo, and said during the Trade Expo, no, boots, Jubilee Park. Our business if you baby showcase near my way. Whilst our Prempeh Assembly Hall, you be summit how to invest. Over say one year maybe our export the brochure institutions be never wow business acquire be na be so be register general omo boy was akwa so. Said you be our juma wo ye no. Enquire say de be bodu anko that nyabua ma region no mu abiem. Educational summit also, we are placing more emphasis on science, technology, maths, technical training, and last year, for normal drone, any our aircraft, money too, and all that. I'm a forward. Almost why science in Yama Baby, yes, don't be called Chicago, right? US. No partnership program. Schools a exhibition last year, no more now. Partnership with foreign institutions, any local institutions, no. They tries a bit more facilitating our boy or more sakwa. Yet him say, yeah, boy young ones, no, in this craft and in this manner. And a babua ama yen tech industry, yet near owning no as a people. And I may have the educational project, it will happen in the course of the Ashanti Trade Expo now, from 6th to 12th of April 2026. And I know the account be whilst we are doing this, Ashanti Kente Wika, Emmanuel Khan once and let's say Ube Fran to Manon yes, if I exhibit Kente Week, because I try my institutions in I say, and then sorry, someone else announcement, no so my and you bet my Kente ribbon at the above attire, and I wish you to bet me the Shashroa, or more Kente tie, fair, ubet me the tie nabo, a man so a pedukuno, ubet me up on the kama. Wow, say, oh, yeah, no. What top at our top and also ubet my and kama wa bese ufra ubet me ufra no what trying picture na dia to no tag Ashanti Kente Week said ye be bet me aboa ye ne omo ye kente quality aye enyumaku wo eye bonre adanwoma se ene omo workshops ne ka say be publish omo list said ye be ya uhia say ubeto kente within this period omo the discount so beto so said ye be bet me aboa na obi anya ebi obi nim said ye tailor for tie ebi o ha ebe dubro nyana na Easter na ofese wodi ju kente no na ebi ompam yeye eno na Ashanti Fashion Industry Network ebam no and this Ashanti Fashion Industry Network na meka ho asem na makom ho abom no eye sanu nyuma fo yi na kom ho abom ye do mo numbers so betudwa so that onko enkwanchen na obi akotwenwadi once our contract they will give you specific time one ebe ready. Within that time, we say star way. Take this. Said the buyer, me a patronize Kente within that Kente week. And I remember one said last week, ye call Kumawu, Eko ye Papa Nenchi. And the ISA, because here Ashanti Festival, no, and then your money na ye pese Gina Kumasi nkwa. And the Yama district na ko nya say, "Oh, afashe bi, and now tourist site be war within with district. I hope you throw more light on it. Come out with it, let us know. Papa Nantwie said the adwumadi na te e Kumawu no ebisi a wo mehu bi da enti festival a omde purify akofo ne omo a mema ombekọ akọ no enti omde Nantwie ne ba no mukunu wi a wo a obenya akokodura akokotwa Nantwie ne bi no a obetumi de afiri bedwa ne ba abonten no na ese wo no wa ye den a eche se obetumi akọ akọ ne bi a challenge Kumawu say instead some boy gushi ade amaye no o do momfa papa Nantwie no momfa ne movie bi na dey e maye ye ya e be market ya be show so obi ahwe se de tie aha wasamo wayosi mahu da obeto akrantie o fara oko great. This is a challenge for us ya mamrani ya manie no e ade atoto na se enye ye ntino nanom e wa any mpanifu e wa next year de no obese ukroma fashe bi emfa nshem le throw more light on our culture, our traditional. You let us know so that as part of next year programs we will be able to listen and then be able to support you. So I guarantee one, so I'm sure say mumundo do na amfa mhushem na mmoa so that we would be able to enjoy all we have for Asante Fest 2026.
In fact, Enkuraya ma Asante Region done the garden city ampa. The garden city no ehun say done the garden channel because you go to Asante Region and you see that how people speculated it from ages basically the garden city who real greens say what feni ade no kura no asase reviving come a true painting. How we implemented the colors and the bloggings of the paint, of the red colors, any green colors, say ebusia enkura no almost shas antimai anyway will be the target kaswa do the member of parliament na akoyo ask say kaswa chen as was will be the target was it me member of parliament doing with the equals to Asante Region. Wow, this is interesting. And I'm sure Sir Otumfuo will be very proud of what is going on, especially in the Asante Region. And if you be at the end of politics, you sit then you tell the truth. And that is why people love K1ng Ghana. We sit here, we digest the truth. Not Ghana for who no correct course. The course of my name. We try to make sure say you did the some kind of don't want to and so ebaba so why do we are where the course of crowd.
K1 boy Juma we did the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media no style of blogging fantastic. So you see commentary news in the bar. So you see commentary for home so good. Keep on going.
And the style also the other tribe aflow unyi sorted India temni that's how becano it's so painful I know shit I don't know say or commentary like or you as a presenter sports presenter that they are we need maybe a orchestra free but it's all good we are there K1 will try